everyone. Welcome to Erpzen Fusion Technical channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to validate the invoice in Oracle Fusion using a REST API. This is a very important topic for everyone who are working in Oracle Fusion Technical and also in the integrations. We will cover complete API payload structure and common error and how to fix them and working in a real-time example. So make sure you watch till the end. To validate the invoice, first we need an invoice. So creating invoice using a REST API, I already covered in a previous video. I will provide the link in the description. So I have the payload structure already. I'll copy this payload structure and I'm creating an invoice. In the Postman, we'll paste the payload and we'll just edit the invoice number. Whatever the value we want, we will provide the invoice number. After that, we will click on send, and it is a post REST API, so we will use it. After creating an invoice is created, you can see it is returning 201 created response. So it means the invoice is created. Now I'll go to UI and verify the invoice is created or not. Now I'll copy the invoice number and I'll search with the invoice number. We have After pasting the invoice number, we have to click on search. If you see, the invoice number is created in ERP SaaS instance, but it is not validated. So the invoice is generated, but it is not validated. Now we will validate this invoice using a REST API. All the REST APIs are provided in the Oracle Docs documentation website. So from here, you can get this REST API. I already having this REST API details, so I will use it. So I am copying this REST API and I'll go to Postman and I'll edit the URL and I'll paste the REST API along with the SAS URL. So after that, we need to use this payload to create to validate the created invoice. I already having this REST API. So in a Postman, it is already existing. I'm gonna use this payload to validate the invoice. See, we need to edit the invoice number and the business unit and the supplier name, and this will be same like we are going to validate. So we have to send the process action as a validate. So for this REST API, we need to use the header as well. If you see in this Oracle Docs documentation, here they have mentioned the support media type. Here we have to provide this value in a header. See here I have already provided the content type. We have to select the content type and also we have to paste this value. After that, we have to provide the authentication detail and it is a post API and we'll click on send. So we will get the result as a 200 OK. It means and also the response, you can see the current action validated invoice has been completed successfully. It means the invoice is already validated. So I'll go and I'll verify in the UI. Here I'll cancel this and again I'll search the same invoice number and I'll go inside the invoice. If you see here, this invoice is already validated. I'm gonna provide this payload and this REST API links in a comment section. You can find these details, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Now you know how to successfully validate the payable invoice using a REST API in Oracle Fusion. If you find this helpful, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe the ERP Fusion Tech channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.